Hi guys, it's Irena from Uncultured Bride, and today I'm doing a product review on the Mamas and Papas Baby Snug. Um, I got this from Argos for $48.99 for two reasons. It's red and it comes with the activity tray, but it can range from £30 to £40 from various retailers. So Mamas and Papas directly and a few other places. I think Tesco and Asda do them as well in different colours. I'll tell you the reasons why I chose this over the Bumbo, or as my phone likes to auto predict, the Bimbo. And Inara is going to be my lovely model today. Say hello. Look, you can see yourself on the camera. Right, the two things, or more than two things, is hello, is right. So obviously it comes in red. I couldn't find the Bumbo in red, and downstairs in our front room, we've got a red front room. My partner loves red, don't they? Yeah. Um, it's got the same soft material as the actual Bumbo. Hello. But this insert, red's insert, will come out. So as she gets older, because this is for 3 to 12 months, she can still sit in it. Okay. The other reason why I got the actual Bumbo, the insert of the Bumbo, and I got this Baby Snug, is the actual activity tray that connects with it as well. It uses two simple suckers. Okay, so I'll just show you how easy to put it on. Watch your fingers. There you go. Press it on, it's on. If it does come off, it's because I haven't put it on properly or the suckers are a bit dry, so a bit of steam, bits of liquid, it's all good. You've got these two easy tags here. If I turn her around. Here, as you can see. There you go, General Model, your lovely toy, that's it. Which you can clip off. She loves all the attachments. We're about 10-15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, half an hour in this now, depending on her mood. She loves playing with everything. As you can hear. Yeah? Yeah. So we've got a squeaker in the middle. We've got a nice little kind of like bell here and a ball in the middle that spins. I know you guys can't see it, okay? That was the main reason why I got this instead of the Bumbo, because she likes sitting up and wanted to have fun and to do things. I do put other attachments on from like her other baby gym, so I clip around the flower, her little flower mirror, and her favourite toy of all times is Bertie the zebra, and I just kind of loop this through and clip this down. The activity tray for the high chair for mamas and papas does fit onto this as well, so there's two types. Okay, so that was really good. So now I've got two trays that I can mix and match. Some people complain about this tray coming off quite easily. How the actual tray comes off, so as she gets older, when she starts baby-led weaning, she can have her little finger food. The tray's not massive, but for right now it's really good, and as she gets older she can sit in it, so up to 12 months. So that's why I paid a little bit extra for this. I have seen them on Gumtree and eBay as well, so if you're not willing to pay the price, don't worry about it. And also I'm keeping this so when we have another child, red can go with boy and a girl. So how to remove the tray. The two side bits, all you need to do is stretch and pull open, okay? And as you can see here is a bit of plastic. I'm trying to do this here, and it slides into this hole here. So you can see her sitting around here in her seat. She's quite comfortable. It was a little bit big for her, so I do put like a towel or something soft around her as well, or in actual inside of it as well, so she doesn't slip down or fall down. Yeah, you loving it. So just to reattach it, you put it on the middle bit here, and then all you do is try and clip it into holes. I'll try and do that at the same time. 1 and 2. Okay. The base is really sturdy. She will not be able to fall out of it. It's hollow inside, but there's a couple of suckers around it as well to carry the actual why do I keep calling it a Bumbo? The Baby Snug. Yeah, moving around. All you have to do is grab it from the middle and walk with it. It's light enough. I have carpal tunnel and nerve damage in both of my hands, and this is easy to carry. Okay. It is really good. I was so impressed with it that I'm getting the Juice High chair from Mamas and Papas. I've already got the activity tray. but I've had a bit of a rant because the actual high chair hasn't arrived and it's meant to be arriving tomorrow. This is absolutely fantastic. I cannot sing enough the praise for this item. It has been a lifesend. She loves it, so if I need to go to the door quickly to get some post from the mailman or delivery because I'm buying stuff for her, I can put her in it really fast, really simple. It's really, really safe. She really enjoys it, don't you? See? So sometimes people review products and the baby's not in it, so I'm going to try and review as many products as possible with her using it. But it is really, really good, and I enjoy it as well. See if I can get her to hit it. But as you can see, really, really good, ladies. Like, really, really good. Mamas and papas, Baby Snug. I give it a 5 out of 5. The only thing is I wish it was a little bit cheaper. That's it. Other than that, I can't fault it. It's absolutely fantastic. So if you're considering something different from a Caribou or Bumbo, the Baby Snug from Mamas and Papas is the way to go, especially with this. Fantastic. So I hope this helped, and if you guys have got the same product and want to do a review, that'd be great. Or if you've got a Bumbo and you want to tell me why your one is better, please do so. So take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.